Freddy the Froggy sat by a pond, watching the water come and beyond. Ribbit, 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 he started to sing. Then, splash, he jumped like a spring. Up on a lily pad, shiny and green, the happiest froggy you've ever seen. He blinked his eyes and croaked with cheer. Hop along, friends, come gather here. He leaped to the left, he leaped to the right, playing and splashing in warm sunlight. A buzzing bee came flying by. Freddy just winked and said, "Oh my!" He flicked his tongue, zip zap zoom. The bee flew off, no more room. As the sun went down and the sky turned blue, Freddy grew sleepy, and you might too. He curled up small on his leafy bed. Ribbit, good night, the froggy said.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.